Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about how to get rid of pest bugs naturally. I know that a lot of people are concerned about the environmental impact of pesticides. So I want to share some safe and effective ways to control pests without using chemicals. There are a number of natural pest control methods that you can use. Number 1. Diatomaceous Earth. This is a natural powder that is made from the fossil remains of single-celled algae. It's non-toxic to humans and pets, but it's deadly to insects with an exoskeleton. You can sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your home in areas where pests are a problem. Next one is essential oil. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender and clove can be used to repel pests. You can add a few drops of essential oil to a spray bottle filled with water and spray it around your home. Next one is baking soda. Baking soda is a natural desiccant, which means that it draws moisture out of insects. You can make a baking soda trap by mixing equal parts baking soda and sugar. Place the trap in areas where pests are a problem. Next one is vinegar. Vinegar is a natural acid that can kill pests. You can make a vinegar spray by mixing 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Spray the vinegar solution around your home in areas where pests are a problem. These are just a few of the many natural pest control methods that you can use. By using these methods, you can keep your home pest-free without using harmful chemicals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much.